What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing took the old school model of celebrity endorsement and mixed it with the new fame certain people found online to create a whole new recipe for digital marketing. In a nutshell, influencer marketing involves a brand collaborating with an online influencer to market its product or services. After watching our last video, you'll already know that influencers could be large or small, mainstream or very niche, so it won't surprise you that influencer marketing is equally individual and can hit a number of goals for brands. If influencer marketing is a lot like baking, then influencer marketers are the bakers. Patisserie chefs take everyday ingredients like butter, sugar, flour, eggs, and milk and mix them together in different combinations to create wonderfully diverse delights such as pastries, cakes, pancakes, waffles, crepe, biscuits, brownies, cookies, mousse. You get our point. That's 100 different snacks, and we haven't even begun talking about sweet versus savory yet. Well, influencer marketers blend social media platforms, brands, influencers, trends, and different digital formats to create endless bespoke, tailored recipe for online audiences. And while we're on the topic of what influencer marketing is, let's also talk about what influencer marketing is not. Influencer marketing is not a quick, one-size-fits-all approach. We might be working with the same ingredients, but to make a cake, you need to beat the eggs. And to ace a pancake, you really need to know when to flip it. It takes knowledge and practice to know how to get the combination right to achieve different brand goals with messages that convert, with influencers who have the authenticity and credibility to convince. You can try dumping the butter, sugar, and eggs in a bowl and hoping it'll bake itself, but more often than not, you'll end up with a flat, overcooked mess. Influencer marketing is also not just about getting someone with as big an audience as you can find and offering them money to say good things about you. You can come to the kitchen with 100 liters of milk, but if the success of your oh-so-delicious chocolate mousse hangs on the skill with which you can whip up the egg whites, then you've just spent a whole pile of money on a lot of milk that is now completely pointless for your particular bake. That is why bakeries have professional patisserie chefs and influencer marketing has influencer marketers. Tell us what you want to achieve and let us whip you up the recipe. But while you're on your way over, can you bring us a snack? Because we're absolutely starving now.